So, you want to get laid. At least I have a way for you to get 2 holes on date night. Come over here to find out. So, always make sure to wash your hands. You don't want to go in dirty when you're raw dog the meat.
Give it to us raw and wriggling.
The nails. Slap them dry. Let me grab a knife. So, we got here some pork shoulder. We're gonna take it, we're gonna transfer it to our pan and smack it.
This guy moaned at least this loud.
Oh! We're gonna score it. Don't be afraid to go in a little deep.
That's what she said.
Got a couple good ones up top. Flippy flip.
Oh
that side.
my.
Now take your not goopy hand and get your magical sprinkle. This is going to consist of pretty much whatever spices you enjoy. I'll put mine somewhere in this video. And make sure you coat it really nice. Get nice in the cracks. Yeah. Cameraman, get a nice zoom in here. Go in. Really work those curves. Get nice and
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
deep. Now don't be afraid to season it nice and heavy because it'll lose a lot when it's cooking. That's why I score it so deep, that way it gets in when it's cooking. Very nice. Give it a good once over. Make sure you rub the sides real good. Caress it real nice. Let her know she's special. Let her know she's one of a kind. And you'll never do anything to hurt her. Alright, time for the barbecue sauce. I will link my recipe down somewhere. Just drop it on our real nice and good like. And really work it in. You know what that sounds like? Barbecue sauce and pork. Really get to know your meat. That's a good sign of any meat-gician. Here we go. All right. There we go. Do the other side. Make sure it's a nice heavy coat. Oh Jesus, it's sticking to the pan. All right. Now once that's done, we're going to wash our hands again because we can't very well go touching everything with this. So when you're all done coating it, get a nice look at your jiggly meat. Bring it over here to the oven, which we have set at 400 to really lock in the flavor. So let's give a quick sear on the outside. And then slide your nice warm meat into the nice hot oven. And I will see you in a couple hours. So now we're back here a couple hours later. We're all very fucking hungry. And now we're pulling our hot meat out of the warm oven. We're gonna transfer it to this bowl so we can start digging in and shredding it. Papa needs a whisk. this. Am I retarded? We're gonna take this. Oh, this paint is very toasty, but it's okay. We're gonna take it and we're gonna lunk it in here. Look how juicy it is. Almost juicy as. No, I can't say that. Even if I'm doing it. Look at these dogs, man. Show the puppies. There's nothing on the floor yet. You fat bitch.
NANI?!
Okay, and once this cools down a little bit, I will get back to you and we will start shredding this. All right, now let's glove up and start digging in there. Oh, look at that. You know what that sounds like? It's like ASMR. Get in real close, like. Get in real close, I said. We'll be back momentarily. And there you have it, folks. All said and done.
Don't you ever do that again, you hear me?